First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, on this Independence Day, it is going to be a rainy one for a good section of the southeastern United States, including much of the Ohio and the Tennessee River valleys. Flash flood watches have been posted for a large area over the southeast, and that includes much of the WBKO viewing area. This morning on radar, we're watching the animation here of some pockets of mostly light to moderate rain. We're getting some moderate rain up north of Columbia, say up toward Taylor County, parts of Greene County. Then you head on up toward, say, Marion County, toward the Lebanon, Springfield area, New Haven, up toward that direction. If you travel up, say, 31E to the north, and if you travel 31W, even 65, that's going to be the main corridor for the heaviest of rains and eastward. And we're getting more coming up out of Middle Tennessee that's going to be with us. In fact, another big surge of rain is coming up just a little bit south of Nashville. That'll be here later this morning. So this is going to come in waves today. You'll find a period of some heavy rain, then a little bit of a break, and then you'll find another good swath of rain coming through at times. We're not expecting severe thunderstorms. This is just going to be a potential heavy rain event with some flash flooding that is a possibility. So the National Weather Service, of course, has issued a flash flood watch that does take in along and east of Interstate 65 that goes through all of today into tonight and through early tomorrow morning. That's when we think some of the heaviest of the rains may fall. And in this section, we could see up to 3 inches of rain in some cases, and others maybe just a little bit more, lighter amounts back to our west. As far as precipitation totals from the Kentucky Mesonet Network, we've seen some impressive rain so far. Litchfield already a half inch of rain, and it's still coming down there in Grayson County. We've picked up only 0.08 of an inch of rain here in Bowling Green thus far. 3600ths make that, you just saw the real-time update. That's what I love about the Mesonet. 4100ths now of an inch of rain in Edmonton, 4200ths of an inch of rain in Burkesville, and hardly anything back to the west. Temperatures in real time showing mid to upper 60s to almost near 70 degrees over much of south central Kentucky. Barren River Lake, well, you're going to pick up a lot of rain today. If you're headed out to any of the area lakes, keep in mind, keep a weather radar app handy for you. You can use our WBKO app on your iPhone or Android. Download that. It's got a radar on it so you can keep up with what's going on. 75 today, Bowling Green, 74, Glasgow, 75, Scottsville, 76 for Franklin today. The Powerball jackpot has jumped to an estimated $70 million for Saturday night. Mega Millions at an estimated $79 million. Everything across the board here today, and the air quality all in the low or good category. Live from Doppler Cam, overcast sky. Look for this all day today with wet roadways, 68 degrees currently with a light east-southeasterly wind. Here's Greenville, Muhlenberg County, AAA Systems Weather Cam Network, 67 degrees. You have yet to pick up any rain, just a few sprinkles out that direction. Mammoth Cave National Park seeing a little bit of fog with the showers, 0.13 of an inch of rain there, 68 currently, 66 or 68 right now in Glasgow, 0.13 of an inch of rain. And there's Munfordville, 67 degrees. You've picked up 0.17 of an inch of rain thus far. 70 degrees at the Bowling Green Airport, 60s to the north, 70s to the south. Everybody in the muggy, soupy air, very tropical-like air mass that have settled in over the area. And a moisture feed straight out of the Gulf of Mexico is going to keep the heavy rains just on a track following I-65, I-75, all day long into tonight and during the day tomorrow. The heaviest of the rains will be primarily east of those locations with that boundary. Well, you saw it there, sitting there, just kind of cranking out the continual heavy rain. 75 today, periods of rain, thunderstorms, some of the rainfall heavy at times, and that goes for tonight too with a low of 67. Tomorrow, We'll see a continued chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, and there could even be some heavy rain there with a high of 80. 80 on Saturday with the rain chance starting to slack off just a little bit to 50%, and then down to 30 to 40% chances for the remainder of the weekend into the beginning of next week. And high temperatures will gradually warm back into where we should be, upper 80s, close to 90.